Thank you. I don't want to see anything else. Enough of that. It's okay. God is in control.
Indeed, Baba God is in control. I beg my country people, anywhere you dey, if you dey pray, I beg remember this woman in your prayers. This junior pope's wife is going through a lot. Baba JP, see your wife now. Envy of all women as you dey call her. See your wife. God. This woman dey go through a lot. See the way she just, oh Jesus Christ. God, please console this woman for us. I just pray you give her the strength, at least for her to be strong for her kids. Look at the last baby. For him mind now, you go think, say, where is my daddy? When will my daddy come? He never know, say the daddy don't go to the world beyond. See the way me Edochie just dey console am, say, I no wan see tears for your eyes again. Be strong. God knows the best. God will see you through. God knows, say, you no go take this kind pain alone. He dey with you. He will see you through in this troublesome phase of life. Abeg, make we put this woman in our prayers. Anywhere you dey, abeg, as you kneel down dey pray, remember her. As you stand up dey pray, remember her. As you want to pray for your family, remember her. I strongly believe that the spirit of Junior Pope will never abandon his family, and may his soul continue to rest in perfect peace. Amen. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Oh yeah now. Bye.